Question 431. Which enzyme unwinds the DNA double helix during replication? Right answer is option C, helicase. Question 432. In prokaryotes, transcription and translation occurs. Right answer is option C, simultaneously in cytoplasm. Question 433. Frameshift mutation usually result from. Right answer is option B, base deletion or insertion. Question 434. The probability of recombination between two genes depends on. Right answer is option C, distance between genes. Question 435. Bar bodies represents. Right answer is option A, inactive X chromosome. Question 436. In deuterostomes, the blastopore develops into. Right answer is option B, anus. Question 437. The water-vascular system in echinoderms function mainly in. Right answer is option B, locomotion. Question 438. Arthropod exoskeleton is composed mainly of. Right answer is option B, chitin. Question 439. The chordate features present only during larval stage in tunicates is. Right answer is option C, notochord. Question 440. The cloaca is present in. Right answer is option B, birds and reptiles. Question 441. In birds, lungs are ventilated by. Right answer is option B, air sacs. Question 442. The Boer effect describe. Right answer is option B, effect of carbon dioxide and pH on hemoglobin affinity. Question 443. The countercurrent exchange in fish gills increases. Right answer is option B, oxygen absorption efficiency. Question 444. The sliding filament theory explains. Right answer is option B, muscle contraction. Question 445. Allosteric enzymes differ from ordinary enzymes because they. Right answer is option B, they possesses regulatory sites. Question 446. Gastrulation results in formation of. Right answer is option B, formation of three germs layer. Question 447. In mammals, implantation occurs in. Right answer is option C, uterus. Question 448. The placenta acts as. Right answer is option D, all of the above. Question 449. The genetic drift is most significant in. Right answer is option B, small populations. Question 450. The stabilizing selection favors. Right answer is option B, average phenotype. Question 451. Analogous organs arises due to. Right answer is option A, convergent evolution. Question 452. Adaptive radiation results when. Right answer is option A. A species occupies many ecological niche. Question 453. In a population ecology, carrying capacity refers to. Right answer is option B. Maximum population supported by environment. Question 454. Freshwater animals tend to. Right answer is option B. They gain water by osmosis. Question 455. Synaptic delay occurs because. Right answer is option B. Neurotransmitter release takes time. Question 456. During action potential, depolarization occurs due to influx of. Right answer is option B. Sodium ions. Question 457. The hypothalamus regulates. Right answer is option D. All of the above. Question 458. The pH of blood in humans is approximately. Right answer is option B. 7.4. Question 459. Oxidative phosphorylation occurs in. Right answer is option B. Mitochondrial membrane. Question 460. Gene therapy aims to. Right answer is option A. Replace defective genes.